reported on social media that animals have been acting strange in the area, further adding that it's not just marine life that has been displaying odd behaviors. Birds, for example, have been seen flying to higher ground, with one resident saying that mammals have also been observed doing this, and it's led some to suggest that something big could be about to happen. Intriguingly, there is compelling anecdotal evidence that indicates certain animals, such as fish, may possess an inherent capacity to detect and anticipate natural calamities. Although the precise mechanisms behind this phenomenon are still not fully grasped, it is plausible that fish have the ability to perceive subtle environmental cues or changes in atmospheric pressure that serve as telltale signs of impending disasters, such as earthquakes or tsunamis. When it comes to the remarkable ability of fish to sense impending natural disasters, an intriguing aspect emerges, suggesting a connection between these animals and the premonition of catastrophic events. In this intriguing hypothetical situation, it is proposed that fish have the extraordinary ability to perceive an imminent natural calamity, like a tsunami, and instinctively, they react by swimming onto dry land, seeking refuge from the devastating repercussions that such an event may bring. Although this notion is purely speculative and lacks concrete evidence, it introduces a fascinating dimension to the intricate interplay between animals and their surroundings, expanding our understanding of their adaptive behaviors and the profound connections they share with their environments. Evidence abounds of animals, fish, birds, reptiles, and insects exhibiting strange behavior anywhere from weeks to seconds before an earthquake. However, despite extensive research, we are still unable to fully comprehend and predict the consistent and dependable patterns of behavior that occur before seismic events. Additionally, there is a lack of understanding regarding the underlying mechanism that would explain the occurrence of such patterns. A social media user recently shared an interesting observation regarding their koi pond. They noted that one day, while gazing at their beloved fish, they noticed an intriguing behavior. The fish seemed to be swimming tirelessly in circles, captivating the observer's attention for hours on end. In the early part of March, an incident took place where she recounted that within a few days, her residing area experienced the impact of an earthquake measuring 4 on the magnitude scale. The occurrence left a significant impact, causing both physical and emotional upheaval in the region. China, positioned on the Pacific Ring of Fire, finds itself situated in a region highly susceptible to seismic activity and earthquakes. This geographical location exposes the country to frequent tremors and geological disturbances. The Pacific Ring of Fire is an expansive region that constitutes a circular belt encircling the Pacific Ocean. This region is renowned for its notable predisposition towards heightened seismic activity, including frequent earthquakes, along with a propensity for volcanic eruptions. China is located in a region where the Eurasian Plate and the Indian Plate meet, forming a boundary between these two significant tectonic plates of the Earth's crust. This geological position makes China highly susceptible to seismic activity and geological phenomena. The convergence and impact of these two tectonic plates have given rise to an intricate network of fault lines that traverse across China, giving way to a recurrent occurrence of seismic events. Yes, earthquakes occur frequently in China. However, the nation has taken significant initiatives to reduce their adverse effects. The measures implemented to mitigate the impact of earthquakes encompass a variety of strategies. Fish have the ability to be driven towards land when faced with abrupt and significant transformations in their underwater surroundings. These environmental disruptions, such as sudden fluctuations in water temperature, levels of oxygen, or the density of pollutants, can create inhospitable conditions in their aquatic habitats. Consequently, fish may opt to temporarily inhabit land as a strategy to cope with and adjust to these modified circumstances. This adaptation allows them to find temporary refuge and seek a more suitable environment until their original habitats stabilize. In these cases, venturing onto land becomes a survival mechanism for fish, enabling them to navigate and respond effectively to the challenging alterations in their aquatic ecosystems. When faced with rising temperatures that result in a lack of oxygen or the rapid growth of harmful algal blooms in aquatic ecosystems, fish may resort to migrating to land for short periods. This migration is driven by an urgent necessity to adapt and survive the increasingly deteriorating conditions in their aquatic habitats. During their temporary stays on land, fish seek out oxygen-rich environments and alternative food sources, enabling them to evade the challenges of their compromised aquatic homes. This man just posted an interesting photograph to Reddit, stating that they found a metal obelisk in the middle of the woods. The image has been liked tens of thousands of times and has been shared across social media, with people giving their opinions on what they think it is and how it got there. Interestingly, those who saw the image said that it could have been left over from the monolith craze that happened a few years back. In an era dominated by technological advancements and the free flow of information, the emergence of the enigmatic metallic monoliths captivated the entire world. Beginning in the latter part of 2020, these intriguing structures started appearing in remote and secluded locations across the globe, igniting a sense of wonder, curiosity, and a whirlwind of speculation. Standing as silent sentinels in disparate landscapes, from the deserts of Utah to the forests of Romania, these monoliths challenged our understanding of art, science, and the boundaries of human exploration. These enigmatic structures became a symbol of mystery and fascination, capturing the imagination of people worldwide. Their sudden appearance in such remote and unexplored areas left experts puzzled and eager to unravel their secrets. With their sleek metal exterior and minimalist design, the monoliths became a subject of great contemplation. The fascinating occurrence first came to light in November 2020, when a helicopter crew engaged in a routine wildlife survey stumbled upon an extraordinary sight in the secluded desert of southeastern Utah, USA. Emanating an enchanting aura, they came across an imposing 10-foot-tall metallic monolith glistening in the sunlight. This remarkable find seemed to have materialized out of thin air, reminiscent of science fiction tales and the enigmatic monolithic structures depicted in the iconic film 2001: A Space Odyssey. This unexpected discovery captivated the world's imagination, piquing our curiosity about its origins and purpose, and sparking speculations about extraterrestrial involvement and unknown forces at play. The discovery of the Utah monolith created a worldwide craze as people across the globe became aware of its existence through the rapid spread of information on social media platforms and various news outlets. The intrigue surrounding its origins and purpose only served to intensify the attention it received. Countless speculations emerged, ranging from theories about extraterrestrial involvement to the possibility of it being an intricate art installation. The initial appearance of the Utah monolith marked the inception of a global phenomenon. Following its discovery, numerous monoliths started to emerge in secluded areas across the world. Notably, a comparable structure was stumbled upon in the remote Neamt county of Romania, reigniting worldwide fascination. This event triggered a series of subsequent sightings, spanning diverse destinations including California, the Netherlands, Colombia, and even the Isle of Wight. Strikingly similar in their sleek metallic composition and intriguing geometric patterns, each monolith captivated the attention of onlookers. The proliferation of these enigmatic structures not only engrossed the public, but also generated a flurry of discussions and investigations as people sought to unravel the mystery behind their existence. The widespread presence of these monoliths all around the world has sparked numerous theories and speculations. One school of thought suggests that these structures may be the result of an intricate artistic endeavor undertaken by either a secretive individual or a collective that revels in enigmatic creations. On the other hand, some people entertain the idea that these monoliths could be part of a meticulously planned and executed prank or a groundbreaking piece of performance art intended to captivate audiences across the globe. The prevailing air of uncertainty surrounding these enigmatic structures only serves to heighten their allure.